Hello friends. Today we will talk about or discuss about female reproductive system. This is a female reproductive system. If we discuss about this figure, from the bottom the elongated part is vagina, then cervix, then uterus, and the balloon-like structure that is ovary, and then oviduct or fallopian tube, which are cup-like structure on the top. This is how female reproductive system is. As we all know that female child is born with a ovum, immature ovum. When a girl reaches to the puberty age, then gradually ovum start to get mature, and that mature ovum comes out from the ovary. This process is known as ovulation. Ovulation is a maturation of ovum and coming out of the ovary. They start moving from ovary and they moves through the fallopian tube or oviduct so that they will reach the uterus. When sperm enters from vagina through penis and it goes through the cervix and try to reach and get fused with the ovum. This fusion of sperm and ovum is known as fertilization. It forms zygote. When the sperm fuses with the ovum, it get implanted in the walls of uterus. It come as uterus wall lining becomes thick, and zygote used to rest at that walls and get attached to the uterus walls. This process of phenomena is known as implantation. Okay, when if sperm does not reaches to the oviduct or uterus, the ovulated ovum comes from the oviduct and rest and wait in the uterus for the sperm for 28 days after ovulation. If till that sperm do not get fused with the ovum, then the process of menstrual cycle starts. What happens in that? In this, the thick lining of the uterus melts, and with the blood it used to wash the ovum out of the vagina. This is known as menstrual cycle. The first menstrual cycle starts at the age of during the age of puberty, first age, which is known as menarche, and at the age of 45 in females it stops, that is known as menopause. The first menstrual cycle is known as menarche, and the last menstrual cycle is known as menopause. So basically, menstrual cycle importance is to remove the unfertilized egg or ovum from the uterus so that after ovulation new egg can come and get fused with the sperm. Okay, now this is all about human that is female reproductive system. Now there is a reason of birth control. How birth control can be regulated, and what is birth control? The prevention of pregnancy in women is known as birth control, simple, or a contraceptive method. So point is this: to prevent birth control, the fusion between male gamete and female gamete must be stopped. So it can be done by three means: barrier method, chemical method, and surgical method. Barrier method means to putting something in between so that sperm do not meet with the ovum. That is known as barrier method. The things used are commonly used are condoms and other sort of devices which are available by the guideline of the government. Second, chemical methods. There are various kinds of pills. Tablets are available so that they will reduce the production or delays the ovulation, due to which sperm won't able to fuse with the egg. If ovum is not there, sperm will be wasted and it will want to be fused with the ovum. Hence, if there is no fertilization, simply there will be no zygote formation or pregnancy. Then, surgical method. The surgical method is the method in which, by the help of surgery, the ejaculation of sperm or ovulation of egg is being stopped. The process is known as tubectomy and vasectomy. Tubectomy is done in females where fallopian tube is tied, knot is tied in the oviduct or cut it down from there so that the after ovulation the egg do not reach to the uterus. While in males vasectomy is there in which seminiferous tubules or that sperm ejaculating duct is being tied down, due to which sperm do not mixed with the semen, and which helps in preventing the fusion between the ovum and the sperm. This is how these contraceptive methods used to happen. This is very important question. It's sure it can come in the board exam, so you must be well aware of these contraceptive methods. So all those devices, drugs, methods which prevents the child control or control of birth are considered as a contraceptive methods. Okay. Now, sexually transmitted disease, as nowadays it is very much common, as sex education is being imparted in the classes, so that one should take care of their sexual organs and get aware of the consequences of contamination of STDs. As in Indian culture, it's really kind of a shame people do not talk about this due to lot of cultural reason or society reason or kind of unawareness. Basically, it is a reason to get aware that this is also a very important hygiene should be maintained into it. That's why one should take care of his reproductive organs, clean it properly so that the disease like gonorrhea, syphilis, AIDS cannot be transmitted. These are the sexually transmitted diseases which affects the people who comes in a sexually contact with these diseased person. Okay, so this is all for the day. Now you can prepare notes for it, and thank you.